Torrential slide cost really equivalent to $32.9397 a coin, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range. 30.437934.0085, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The earlier day close. 30.4464. The change sort of was plus 2.4933, plus 8.19%, which explicitly is very huge. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Avax, which really is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 11. Cost $36.68, truly greatest $39.25, really least $34.11. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $37.03, genuinely most extreme $39.62, really least $34.44, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $36.51, truly most extreme $39.07, certainly least $33.95, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, December 14. Cost $42.14, extremely greatest $45.09, genuinely least $39.19 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $43.68, most extreme $46.74, certainly least $40.62 in an unpretentious way. And multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost $42.54, lovely most extreme $45.52, least $39.56, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $44.13, sort of most extreme $47.22, certainly least $41.04, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $45.52, exceptionally most extreme $48.71, genuinely least $42.33, which certainly is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $45.73, exceptionally most extreme $48.93, in every way that really matters, least $42.53. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, December 22. Cost $46.17, in every practical sense, greatest $49.40, least $42.94 in a by and large significant manner. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $47.38, exceptionally greatest $50.70, least $44.06. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $45.73, for the most part greatest $48.93, in every way that really matters, least $42.53, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $45.35, kind of greatest $48.52, sort of least $42.18, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, December 28. Cost $46.33, fundamentally greatest $49.57, kind of least $43.09, showing how torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $45.52, by and large most extreme $48.71, certainly least $42.33, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $46.85, greatest $50.13, kind of least $43.57, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, January 1. Cost $46.62, extremely greatest $49.88, by and large least $43.36 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $49.79, for the most part greatest $53.28, beautiful least $46.30, which fundamentally is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $46.72, genuinely greatest $49.99, genuinely least $43.45 in a very huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $42.08, fundamentally greatest 45.03, in every practical sense, least 39.13, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide figure on Friday, January 5. Cost $44.91, greatest 48.05, exceptionally least 41.77, which especially is genuinely critical. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $44.94, genuinely greatest 48.09, least 41.79, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $41.73, greatest 44.65, sort of least 38.81, which for the most part is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale equivalent to 0.0304 coins per $1, which fundamentally shows that the earlier day close 30.4464, which explicitly is very critical. Today's reach 0.0294 0.0329, which sort of is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby 0.0328 in a sort of enormous way. Change for now 0.0024, 7.32%, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. United States dollars to Avax cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, December 11. Cost 0.027 coins, beautiful greatest 0.029, truly least 0.025, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 0.027 coins, lovely greatest 0.029, beautiful least 0.025, or so they basically thought. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 0.027 coins, genuinely greatest 0.029, really least 0.026, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Thursday, December 14. Cost 0.024 coins, really most extreme 0.026, by and large least 0.022, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, December 15. Cost 0.023 coins, kind of greatest 0.025, kind of least 0.021, showing how us to Avax forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 0.027 coins, essentially greatest 0.029, certainly least 0.025, which generally is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to Avax forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost 0.024 coins, sort of most extreme 0.025, fundamentally least 0.022 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 0.023 coins, most certainly greatest 0.02